welcome to the gesture box. You can see here that you've got all your beautiful dies in there. You've got the outside edge, you've got all the detail in there as well. Now these look absolutely amazing. If you're going to do Christmas decorations, these look gorgeous on your Christmas tree. Bit of craft card, bit of red, you know, get that glitter in there, beautiful. But they're so easy to make. So your main die is going to cut out that lovely shape there. Now, how do you want this? Do you want it plain? That's absolutely fine. You can have it completely plain. You can put your ribbons through and Bob's your uncle. But you've got all those detailed dies in there. So you've got the versos. So your versos will cut into your shape. Okay, you've got two different sizes of versos. You've got the large verso here that you can cut into your panel. Then you've got a smaller verso edge that you can cut into the panels that you're going to apply to there. So you can see all the different formats. You've got your little edges, you've got the ones that we're going to cut the detail into, and you can see how that detail is going to sit within that perimeter. Okay, and I've already matted and layered these together. I've already stuck them together. So we have got all those beautiful little panels. We could be applying glitter in there. We could put Nouveau drops into there. That is entirely up to you. So very easily, we're just going to stick these straight on to these panels. I have to say my personal preference is to cut them straight in, because I think you do get that extra speciality with that detail going into the panels. But let's just go round all the way around here, and we have now got those lovely panels. So let's just fold over. Now you can see that they will, if you want to, fold into a little envelope. Maybe you want an envelope for your box, yeah, no problem. So all we're going to do now is, I prefer to use two pieces of ribbon. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to go through one side to the opposite side, and I like to tie that one into a little knot, and I like to just trim that off, because I find when I just push that open a little bit, remember this is still wet, I get a proper fastening at the top then. So across there, cross to the diagonal one, and then just pull it over the top there, and I'm going to feed that one back. You know, like you lace your shoelaces? I like to have a double aspect across the top of my box. I think it just gives it a little bit more oomph on the top. So let's just see if I can get that one into there. Oh, like so. Pull that tight, and you see how it lattices over the top. I like that effect. I think it just gives it a little bit more speciality on the top, and plus it allows me to tie it a lot easier on the top. So I'm just putting it into a knot, and then put it into a little bow, and there you have got your little gesture box. Now what are you putting in your box? Gentlemen, engagement rings, wedding rings maybe? But for all you ladies that are making earrings and necklaces, that could actually be a little window, so you can actually see inside your box, or bring those chocolates on. See you later. For more tutorials and inspiration and those mojo kicks, go on and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll find loads more.